Okay, let us see one more identity. So let's say you have three numbers, okay, which are given as A, B and C. The sum of cube of these three numbers less the product of these three numbers multiplied by 3 is equal to the sum of these three numbers into this particular identity. Okay, now what can happen is many times you might be given certain numbers like this, very jumbled up but forming a particular pattern, wherein let's say for example you take an example of P plus 2Q plus 3R, okay, into P square plus 4Q square plus 9R square minus 2PQ minus 6QR minus 3PR, right? And you are asked to solve this identity or solve this equation. Now if you start multiplying this number with this with this with this, I mean, you'll literally go mad and you will also not be able to get the answer. But on a simple comparison, if you equate these three numbers with A, B and C, what we notice is that this equation is in the form of A is equal to P square, A square, right, plus 4Q square, 2Q whole square is equal to 4Q square, so we write this as P square, plus 9R square, obviously this is square of 3R, C square, minus 2PQ. Now P is A and then you have 2Q which is B, minus 6QR. Now if you multiply these two, you will get 2 into 3 6, Q into R, QR, hence this is BC, minus 3PR. Now P is obviously A and 3R is C, right? So if you try to equate this, you get something like this, which as I told you is nothing but this identity, right? In such a case, what you can do is, obviously I know and I understand that it is a little difficult to kind of comprehend this, but if you are able to remember this identity, then it becomes a little easier for you to solve these equations. Else it might be very difficult if you kind of start solving these. As I said, this identity is equal to A cube. A is P, hence you can write this as P cube plus B cube, okay. B is 2Q, so 2Q cube, cube of 2 is 8, plus C cube, C is what, 3R, so R cube and 3 cube is 27, minus 3 into A, B, C, P into 2Q into 3R, right? Or simply speaking, this becomes 8P cube plus 8Q cube plus 27R cube minus 3 into 2, 6 into 3, 18 PQR. So instead of solving this lengthy equation wherein you would be required to multiply first P with all of them, then 2Q with all of them, and then 3R with all of them, you simply apply this identity, a little difficult to comprehend and understand, but if you can recall it, then this solution becomes very easy, okay, and this is the answer.